Yeah.
Winning.
So I can start sharing my screen. Will you able to see my screen, guys? Yeah. So yesterday we had, I just go to the few basic just okay for 2 minutes. I'll go for the having class method. We have discussed about in the last session. We discussed about on the group by expression, group by class, and the yesterday sessions we have discussed about the having class. Having class is a just a specific like it's a multi. So whenever you want to use multi-row function as a condition, you can go with the having class. Usually, when you want the column name to filter, that time we have to use for where class method, correct? So when you want to use in the condition as a multi-row functions, what are the multi-row functions? Anyone?
Min, max, average, sum.
Count, minimum, maximum, average, and sum. These are the having multi-row functions. So those multi-row functions I have to mention in the having class conditions. So ma'am, how do we execute it on the having conditions, right? So whenever you are grouping the reference column using this, right? You have to use the group by reference column. So reference column is what? We have to give some columns. Based on this, I have to execute my group by expressions. Yes, we'll get the who is the maximum salary, who is the minimum salary, how many count of the numbers based on the department number, based on the salary, or based on the names, anything, right? Based on these conditions, correct? So once you group, we'll get the data, the count of data where the department number is, each department number is working 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Correct. So I can execute here one more time for that example. How do we give example? Select department number, count of star, max salary. I can execute all everything. Department wise, I'll be writing here, okay? Minimum salary and average salary and here sum of salary. Okay, this is fine. Visible, right? Everyone? Shall I zoom in?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
No. Okay. From employee and next, do we need to give where condition? Where condition is it's optional. If you want to give, you can give. Otherwise, it's not required. Okay. So then I can give without where condition. Group by what column I can give it? Salary column. Correct? Or department number? Do we need to give department number? Because, right? So is I'm getting my department number should be all unique, and in this department number, how many are working in that? What is the maximum? What is the minimum, average, and sum of salary? Got it? All the functions. This is everyone understood, right? Group by expressions. Hope it's understanding.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Now this output, whatever you are getting the output after the group by class method, for this output only you will be executing for the having class method. So as once you have grouped, see without grouping you cannot perform the having class condition. That is the one thing. Okay, so if you have the group by reference column or group by column method here, then only you can able to perform the having class conditions. Got it? So I can execute select from employee, but once you have done it group by reference column, then only you have to perform it. How do we execute it? Having. So here we can write the multi-row functions, right? So what I have to give it count of, you can give anything, count of star, maximum salary or minimum, average or sum of. Okay, based on your conditions, it will be execute on the queries. So let's I can give it 3. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what it will be the output? First 3 rows, I should get the only 10, 20, 30 department number rows if count star is greater than 3. Correct? Or
Yes, ma'am.
greater than equal to 3 also you can able to perform relational operator. Okay, for having condition. So if you greater than equal to 3, then it is added as a 3 also, right? Hope it's clear, everyone. Only this having condition, it is not executed for your original table. It was executed for your output of the group by class table. Clear? Who are all not attended yesterday sessions, you can perform anything. Okay, where maximum salary greater than 2000. Okay, if maximum having condition, max of minimum salary greater than 2000 or less than 2000, you can give average salary is equal to 4000 or greater than 6000. You can give any values of this. Okay, but you have to mention in the output of the column only. Got it? I hope it's clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So one thing, the where class, it is executed without group by class, right? But having class compulsory, after group by class only it will be executed. Done? Understood?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you guys are not attended the yesterday session, please go and just see this last sessions of recorded. Just I have given the basics now. Okay. For the important how we can able to execute, I have given. Yesterday we have discussed some rules and conditions. Just go through the video recorded. If any doubt, you can make a note and we can discuss on the Monday sessions on the having class. If you need more clarification about that topic. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll move on to the next topic. Very, very important, joins. So generally what is mean by joins? Anyone know this? What
Join
is
two
mean by
table.
joins? Yes, exactly correct. And join the two table. So how do we execute that join to, any other answer?
Using foreign key, we can join two tables.
Using foreign key, you can able to
Join.
join it. Two tables, right? The common table between it. Correct? So here, I can discuss about the joins first. So what does mean by joins? It's obviously correct. It's a it's a combination of two or more tables having the output in the multiple tables, right? So you have a multiple table inputs and you will get the single output. That is called as a joins. And we can call it as it's a nothing but one of the functionality, special functionality. Okay, it is a special functionality, special functionality of select statement. And join concept is very, very important. Okay, wherever you can go, at least you have one question from the joins. Okay, so it's a special functionality of select statement basically. And by using joins, we can display multiple table information simultaneously. Okay, multiple table information means if you have a table 1 and table 2 data, but you can able to display as a in a single output, as a single output. So I'll tell you this, how do we execute it on this. So till now, what you have done it in the set operator joins, you have joined the two queries, output of the two queries and joined it and you got the output, right? Where we have done with union, union all, remember? Last big sessions. But here I'll be joining same as like you have a this table and you can also join the one more table, and here also you can join with the same table also. I'll tell you in the later sessions. Okay, wait for a minute. So based on this, and also it will be the like what is this multiple table information simultaneously. Okay, you're joining the multiple table information simultaneously, and also like it will be generally joins is used to join the two or more tables. Okay, two or more tables you are joining, two or more tables. How to join, I'll tell you. Join two or more tables. So I just telling you here now, joining two or more tables and providing the single output. Based based on this, we have a types of joins. So what is that? Inner join, outer join, self join, and fourth one, Cartesian join. Cartesian joins and non-equal join, the last type. Okay. So majorly, whenever joining the two tables, you are merging the multiple information into the single output. That is called as a join. So based on the merging the two or more tables, minimum you required two tables for all this inner join and outer join. Okay, self join I'll tell you later. So these join is required for that. You'll be merging the two or more table and getting the single output. Okay, so based on that you have a types like a inner joints, outer joints, self joints, and Cartesian and non-equal joints. Okay, so let's discuss one by one what is mean by inner join and what is mean by outer join and all. Let's I can discuss inner join first. Till now it's clear, everyone. Joint. Okay. So inner join is also called as natural join. Okay? Natural join, or we can call it as a equal join. Equal joins. So what does mean by inner join? Joining the multiple table, joining multiple tables. Okay, join the multiple tables by utilizing you can do it. What you can do, it's a special type of joins. Basically, this is also same as a joins only. Okay, joining the multiple tables and by utilizing common column between the two tables, by utilizing common column common column common column between the tables. Remember where we have to use common column between the tables? We are using the foreign key. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
remember very history. Again, go to history. You learned it long back, right? Remember that. What is meant by foreign key? between the tables. So it is same as like foreign key. It's used to join the two tables. So that topics I'll be using in the joins concept. Okay. So joining the multiple tables by utilizing your the common column. Okay, between the tables is called as a inner join. Okay, is called as inner join. Whenever you're performing, okay, any table, you should have a common column between the tables. Got it? And one more thing, always it will be executed valid records only. Okay, valid records only. It will execute or it will be give the output as a only valid records in the output. Okay, and also if you want to apply as a inner join concept, okay, then you then only for the table we should have a common column. If you have any common column, then only you can able to perform the inner joins concept. Common column should be compulsory when you want to use as a inner join, should be required or should be present. Okay, so then what is this another one? So always the select statement records, okay, which are the common where the matching in the both the table means what? So the column should be same. Let me, I can show you this. Show tables. Select star from EMP1. EMP2. Sorry, EMP3. So take it as a EMP1. This one I have created long back. I'll tell you that how do we create it. For this join concept only I have created. So EMP1, which is the common column of EMP3?
DPT number.
DPT number is important, like it's a common column. So what is mean by which is the foreign column here? DPT number.
DPT number.
So what is the mean? This is the prime like a primary key in this table. Okay, the child can I call it as this is child table, parent table and child table?
DPT is parent table, ma'am.
This one, because I am considering as a department number, right? This one we can call it as a parent table, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this one we can call it as a child table. So DPT number we can do the merge joining concept. So I can tell you. So whenever you want to working in this Karthik, like you should have a common column name also. Okay, so you should have a like a common column means at least one of the column should be the present. Got it? So we can do the same table also. I'll tell you the later. This is just understanding two different table. You can two or more table also you can able to merge and provide the single output. That is means as a joins. Understood? So in this, I can take it as a common column. Okay. I can take it this. So I can use this inner joins. So which is the data, common column of the data?
10.
Compared to this and this 10, 20, 30.
Yes, ma'am.
I can write it. Here 10, 20, 30. Correct? So what is this is the table one. You can take it consider as. Is it 40 analyst? It's there in this 40 is the department number is present in this table EMP1?
No.
No, right? You can take it as a 40 in this. So here, what you have the data? Where? Yeah. So 10, 20, 30, 50. Correct? So we have a 50. Done? So I can fill it. So this is the common column. Okay. The common column, you should have the department number, right? So I can execute using this table example for your understanding, table 1. So this is the left hand side table and this is the right hand side table. So I can go to the example first. When you have, for example, what we can give it example of this for joining conditions, you have a multiple table, joining the multiple table between the two tables, the common column between the two tables, that is called as a inner join concept, right? So the based on that, we have a syntax for this inner join. What is the inner join syntax? Select table 1 dot. So understood the syntax? Table 1 dot common column should be having, yeah, should be present. So the syntax, just specifically I'm giving here, the table 1 common column is equal to table 2 common column. CC means common column. Okay. Common column. So I have one example I'll give you. So based on your ANSI standards, I'll give you this. Okay. What is the syntax of this? Select T1 table 1 dot common column, comma table 2 dot common column, and here you can give any column, actually column data, just column data you can provide it, and here from table 1 name comma table 2, and then we can give where condition table 1 dot. So what is the syntax? Common column is equal to table 2 dot common column. Okay. So we can execute based on this. I'll give you the example. Don't worry. So what is we can call it as equijoin. Why it is called it as equijoin? Equal join. You should always use the equal operator in a where condition. So this is the syntax you have to use it. Got it? Or you have one more ANSI standard syntax. What is meant by ANSI? American National Standard Interchange, right? Forget. So here you can use the table 1 column, table 2 column. From table 1 comma table 2, you should use as a inner join. Okay, inner join concept and table 2. Previously I have used the comma, and here I'll be using table 1 inner join performing table 2, and here instead of where I'll be used as a on condition, and table 2 1 common column is equal to table 2 common column. Okay, so I can execute here the query based on this. So when we go to the inner joins, if for example, when we have to use the inner joins, whenever you want to display multiple table using the common column or matching records, we can go directly for the inner joins. You should not aware, right, when we have to go different joins tier time. Directly they'll give you that, right? If we have any common column between the two tables, then you can directly go to the inner join concept. Clear till here? Anybody doubt? Anyone want to explain it again? We can go for the example. If you do the example, you will understand the better way. Okay, fine. Yeah. So how do we they're asking for the query? Write a query to display employee name, employee name, and their their department name, department name. So here I have a employee and department table, correct? This is employee details and this is department details. Yes or no? Can I call it as this is department details, department number, department name, and location of the department, each department, and this will be the employees. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for this query, what is the query? Write a query to display employee name and their department name. Means in the select statement, what I should written it here? Select e name, emp name, right? Emp name, comma, department, department. Okay. Here I can give from emp1, comma, emp3, two tables. Then after that, what I have to do it? Which is the common column here?
Department.
Department number.
Yes.
So here, what we have to use? Where conditions. What are the where conditions of this? Table 1 and table 2, here common column. Correct? Table 1, table 2, common column. Got it? So what is the table 1? emp1, emp1 dot department number is equal to emp3 dot department number. So what it will do, I'll trace this, okay, output. So you will be first taking as a both emp1 and emp3 table. So then I'll be checking the condition, right? The second, it will be go to the where condition only. In the emp department number 1, 10, I'm comparing with the emp3 department number 10. So is it department number 10 is equal to department number 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Matching, right? Records are matching.
Yes.
So then what is should display now? Select statement, emp name, the particular department name also. Correct? So here, what is the Karthik department number? Department
Yes.
testing.
Yes.
So is I'm displaying Karthik and testing.
Yes.
Got it now? So we'll go for the second conditions. So now let's go for this Shruti here because this was the unique. So each data we are fetching with this first. Got it? First row. Understood? Let's I can tell you this. I'll keep like this. That's okay, right? Visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Take one more snippet. This is for your understanding. I am taking, okay? So till you guys are understanding the topic, you can take it. You can use it that. So I got it, two tables, EMP1 and EMP2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'll be comparing with department number 10 to department number 10. Is it matching? Is equal, condition is satisfied? Table 1 and table 2. This is the table 1. And this is the table 2. Okay. So I'll be next comparing the second data. Second data into the main data. Shruti, and is it matching both 10 and 10? So
Yes,
then
ma'am.
output will be the Shruti, and here the testing. Here I'll be getting Shruti and testing.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, everyone? Okay. Next I'll go to Pavan. Is it 20 is equal to 10? Is it 20 is equal to 10? This
No.
data? No.
No.
Correct? So I'm deleting. Understood? This combination? And same way. So is it 20 is equal to again 10?
No.
I'm deleting again this. Okay. Next. Is it 10 is equal to 10? The condition satisfied?
Yes.
Yeah. Then the, so, yeah, this one, right? Akshata and testing required. So is I'm getting the, one second. Yeah. So is I'm getting the data, Akshata and testing? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next condition, I'll go. I'm going very slow. Is it 30 is matching with 10?
No.
I'm leaving this. 50 is matching is 10?
No.
Leaving. So next, again, what I should do? I should take all the number, compare with 20. Again, I have to like compare with all the data same way. Previously, we have done, right? Compare for all the data, 7 data, then comparing with 30. And next, compare and compare with 40. You got it? How it will be joined the two if you have a same column name. And one more thing, when you are connecting with the column name should be same, and also where we have using the data types and constraint should be the similar with the same department number. Okay, same column. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next I'll compare. I'll just show you one more time for this. So let's I can compare. Is it 10 is equal to 20? Second data.
No.
So Karthik and say the development is not required. So again, Shruti data is department number 10. 10 is equal to 20? No.
No.
Shruti and development is not required. Output. So 20 Pavan and 20 development is equal to.
Yes, ma'am.
So then I got the output Pavan and development.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it getting Karthik and development or Shruti and development in the output?
No.
Not there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The combination of that. Okay. So then I'll go for the next one. Wait. So here, Vinuta. Again, same. Vinuta is equal to development compared with all the data. Yes. So that's the reason you're getting as a Vinutha and development. Got it? So then, is it Akshita? The 10 is equal to 20, 30 is equal to 20, 50 is equal to 20. All are not matching, so we'll not get the combination of this. Again, what I said, again, all this, okay, from first to 7, all the department number should match with the sales department number, another table. And same way, you have to again compare with the analyst as well. I hope it's clear now. How do we compare with the data? So anyone doubt? Should I explain the logic again? Hope it's clear. So basically I'm telling, like, you should, whenever you're performing any joining condition, you should have a common column between the two tables, and also the data types constraints also should be the similar when you're comparing with the two same columns with the different tables. Got it? Till now here, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So let's take the notes. We can have examples. We'll execute it on this inner choice. Okay. So we'll execute another one. So we have done it on this where conditions, right? Shall we try it on condition? I told you, right? Select department number, where here you can do it inner join. Instead of where, what we have to use it?
On.
On. Everything is correct. Syntax, as per the syntax, select the column, column and column 2 from table 1 inner join table 2, right? And on the table 1 common column, table 2 common column. Got it? So is that executed same output? Same output? Karthik, Shruti, Pavan, Vinita, Akshita and Likita. Here also should be the same.
One that is.
This okay. Akshita is missing.
Yes.
Yeah, you have the data actually. Here you can see this. Maybe some tool issues we got it. Is it getting same update of the data?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So whatever you can use it, any syntax, you will get the same answer. I hope it's clear. Okay. So take the notes on this. First things, joins. Joins, heading. Under that copy, joins are nothing but special functionality of select statement. Special functionality of select statement. Joins are nothing but special functionality of select statement. So next line, by using joins, we can display multiple table information simultaneously. Multiple table information simultaneously. By using joins, we can display multiple table information simultaneously. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next line. Next line. Generally, joins are joins are generally joins are yari are used to join join two or more table generally joins are used to join two or more table which which results in output in output having data from multiple tables. Repeating once again. Generally, joins are used to joins are used to join two or more table join two or more table which results in output having data from multiple tables. Output having data from multiple tables. Done.
Ma'am, repeat it, ma'am, once again.
Last point or full everything?
Last one, ma'am. General
Okay.
joints are
Generally, joins are used to join two or more table join two or more table which results in output having data from multiple tables having data from multiple tables. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Copy the types of joins. Let me know once you guys are copied.
Mm.
Copied.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope everyone are copied.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take the heading. What is the heading? Inner joins or natural joins or equal joins. Copy this heading. Copied heading.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So under that copy inner join concept, joining the multiple table, joining the multiple tables by specifying joining the multiple table by specifying the joining condition by specifying the joining condition between the tables is called as inner join is called as inner join. That
Mm.
So war or one more definition. Joining multiple tables by utilizing common column common column between the tables is also called as inner join. Is also
I'm
called
telling
as,
it.
yeah, here only I have written it, right? Joining the multiple tables by utilizing common column. Okay, common column between between the tables. Common column between the tables is called as inner join. Is called as inner join. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody wants to repeat it again? Still
No.
copying? Okay. So the next point, inner join will get result only valid records. Inner join will get result only valid records. Only valid records. Done? Shall I repeat once again? Inner join will get results. Inner join will get results. Only valid records. Only valid records.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next point. Inner join is applicable. Inner join is applicable only inner join is applicable only for the table which consists of common column. Which consists of common column. Inner join is applicable only for the table which consists of common columns. Done? Next point. Select the records which are common or matching in both the table. Common or matching in both the table. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Take this here, joining condition. Under that copy, joining condition, under that copy, joining the multiple tables by utilizing the common column is called between the tables. Joining the multiple tables, joining the multiple tables by utilizing common column, by utilizing common column, common column, between the table is called as joining condition, is called as joining condition. It almost similar for join only. Okay, joining conditions. I have given already points also. Shall I repeat it once again? For this join, what is meant by joining condition?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah. Joining the multiple table, joining the multiple table by utilizing common column between the tables, by utilizing common column between the tables is called as joining condition, is called as joining condition. Hope it's done. Copy the syntax. Complete. Okay. Once it is copied, let me know. Yeah. Until this is general syntax and this is for ANSYS syntax. Copy and let me know. Done?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone copied syntax for everything. What is meant by T1? Table 1. T2? Table 2.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Got it? Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the next, take it as a heading, when to go for inner join. When to go for inner join. When to go for inner join. When we want to display answer, when we want to display, when we want to display multiple table, multiple table, multiple tables, when we want to display multiple tables using a common column or matching records, using a common column or matching records, we go for inner join. So if you have any two different table, there is a common column between the table where applied as a foreign key and primary key. Then if you have that common column, compulsory you can go directly with the inner join concept. Okay.
Can you repeat?
Whenever we want to display, if multiple tables, right? A common column or matching records, we go for the inner join. If you have a common column between the two tables, then directly you can go and work on this inner join concept. Got it? Fine. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next heading, why inner join is also called as a equijoin. Why it is called as equijoin? Because it is performing the equal operator. Understood? When the joining condition, this will be the joining condition. Okay. So I'm repeating once again why inner join is also called as equijoin. Equijoin. Another copy. Because there is a equal to operator in joining condition. There is a equal to operator in joining condition. Done?
Operator in?
Sorry.
Sorry, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Okay. Because there is a equal to operator, but there is a equal to operator in joining condition. In joining condition. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next example number 1, write a query to display, write a query to display, write a query to display employee name and their department name. Write a query to display employee name and their department name. So I want to display both employee name and department name, this requirement. It might ask change also. The other select statement also, they can able to ask to retrieve it. Okay, based on the inner join condition, the output data will retrieve it on the screen. Got it? Copy this query. Write a query to display employee name and department name. Done? Copied?
No, ma'am.
Copy the answer. You can give or you can write the both the queries. Okay, for inner join output. Select EMP name comma department from EMP1 comma EMP3, where EMP1 dot department number is equal to EMP3 department number. Then you can write it this. Copied?
1 minute, ma'am.
Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others still copying anybody?
Done.
Okay. Take the second example. Write a query to display. Write a query to display employee details. Employee details and also write a query to display all the employee details and employee details. Also display location for all the employees. Display location for all the employees. For all the employees. Write a query to display employee name. Employee name. Sorry, can you repeat it? What query I have given it? Anyone?
Write a query to display employee details and also display location for all the employee.
Okay. For all the employees, those who are working as a sales. Those who are working as a sales. Those who are working as a salesman or sales. Can anyone try with this answer? Select emp1 dot. What I can give it here? So all the employee details, right? I want to write it as a star. Yes. Got it? And location, right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
From emp1 comma emp3, where what is that here?
Those should sales.
Ma'am, that should be EMP1 comma EMP3 na ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. emp1 comma emp3. Write a query to display all the employee details. Also display location for all the employees, those who are working as salesmen. Correct, right? So here, the second table, department, we have sales.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So do we have where conditions here?
Is equal to sales.
Department is equal to sales. I can give it. And so we have here we have where conditions, and also the compulsory you should write it as a condition inner join. So you can give, in that case you can give and operator, and then what you have to write it here, emp1 comma common column is department number, emp3 dot department number. Read it once again, anybody? The query.
Write a query to display employee details and also display location for all the employees, those who are working as a sales.
Yes. So is it correct? I'm displaying the star and location from the employee 1 and employee 3, where department is equal to sales, and the common columns between the table, combination of table 1 dot common column is equal to table 3 dot common column. Hope it's clear, everyone. Shall we execute it? So is I'm getting all the data?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I am displaying, complete employee data, right? Where they're working in the depart. So in this here, select star location. So here you can see this. Are we getting the star means both the data? Select star from EMP1. So select star from EMP3. So here do we have a sales?
Yes, ma'am.
In this sales, who is working in the department number 330? Likita? I want to display this employee details, right? And also I should display the location, correct? But here what you are getting? Employee ID, employee name, a manager ID, department number. This is one of the data and this is another data, right? EMP3 data. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and also I have told to location. But in the query, did I mention for all the employee details present in the department table also? I specifically mention in the query, write a query to display all the employee details. Also display their location. Employee details, right? So I can display here once again. In that, instead of select star, we can give EMP1, we can give the table name. Okay, EMP1 dot star. What I means is a particular the table. Okay, EMP1 dot star means in the particular all the details you will get it. So same as again you have to do from EMP1 comma EMP3 and department number sales and operator. So is I'm getting only the employee details and along with the location. Got it? Assume EMP1 is a employee table, EMP3 is a department table, other table. Got it? So what is the executed? You have taken the two tables firstly, then you will search it as a where sales is equal, department number is equal to sales, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So then you will do the combination, department number, right? So where 30 is equal to the combination of 30. So in that star, if you not mention the any specific the table name, then you will get the this row along with this row. Got it? I hope it's clear, everyone. Both the row will get it. And extra, if you want any other column, you have to mention it here. Got it? So I don't want department details. I want only the employee details. That's the reason I used to give emp1, like what I have to give it here, emp1 dot the table name dot star. Got it? I hope it's clear now. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ emp1 ಅಂಡ್ emp3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ table1 dot star ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ particular all the data will be captured on the employee table. Got it?
Yes.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಸ್?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ,
Instead of select emp1, if we give emp2, it will only
ಎಸ್ emp2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ emp3, ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ emp2 ಇಲ್ಲ emp3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
emp3. Yeah.
ಓಕೆನಾ? emp3 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Only the table 3 only will display.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll display it here. Okay. See, are we getting only the second table data? Leave it about this last column. Last column, I only retrieved it, right, in the both the query. So
Okay.
think about the first 3 columns here. Here, first 4 columns. Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಪಿ ದಿಸ್ query. I'll give 2 queries for assignment. Just try it yourself. So we'll discuss on the Monday sessions for next query. Okay, next joint concept. So practice on the joins concept. Inner join is very very easy. Okay, just go and do study for this and practice the execute the queries in your laptops.
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Copied everyone?
No,
Anyone still copying? Done? Okay. So take the assignment queries. Write a query to display. Write a query to display employee name, comma, department name and location. Write a query to display employee name, comma, department name and location for all the employees, whose name start with yes character. Whose name start with yes character. Write a query to display employee name, comma, department name and location for all the employees whose name starting with yes character. Whose name starting with yes character. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The next query assignment. Write a query to display department number department number for all the employees, those who are working as those who are working as those who are working as development and sales department, those who are working as development and sales department, working in development and sales department. Done. So can you guys take the snippet of this? Okay, let me, I can execute, I think. Yeah, not record. So will you guys take the snippet of this two table and create the table? Because I required for John's concept. Taken screenshot of this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So create these two table and practice for the inner joins concept. Okay. If you have any doubts and try to execute the queries for assignment queries. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss on the Monday sessions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So taken, right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.